Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use Tally in MS Word. Tallying helps you count items or occurrences directly within your document, making data tracking straightforward. We will cover inserting individual tally marks, using symbols, and organizing counts efficiently within tables. This guide will provide clear, step-by-step instructions for both basic and more structured tallying needs, ensuring you can manage your data effectively. To insert individual tally marks, navigate to the Insert tab and select Symbol, then More Symbols. Here, you can find characters like the vertical bar, which serves as a basic tally mark. For a group of 5, simply type 4 vertical bars and then cross them with a /. This method allows for quick, manual tallying directly within your text, providing a visual count for small datasets. For more organized tallying, especially with multiple categories, using a table is highly effective. Go to the Insert tab, then Table, and choose your desired dimensions, perhaps 2 columns and several rows. Label one column for your categories and the other for your tally marks. You can then enter your tally groups, such as 4 vertical lines and 1 diagonal line for 5, into the respective cells, keeping your counts neat and clear. After entering your tally marks, reviewing your data is crucial. Visually count each group of 5, where 4 vertical lines are crossed by 1 diagonal line. Then, sum up these groups and any remaining individual marks for each category. This systematic approach helps ensure accuracy in your final counts. By following these methods, you can effectively use MS Word for various tallying tasks, from simple counts to more structured data collection.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.